Welcome to this webinar training, the new simple way to smashing $500 to $1,000 monthly. The new simple way to smashing $500 to $1,000 monthly. Now, in this webinar, you are definitely going to discover a brand new method that many Nigerians and Africans at large are now using to earn in dollars. If you live in any country in Africa, you know that earning in dollars is quite important for you. Why? Because dollar is stronger than almost all the African currencies. So if you are earning in dollars, that is a higher chance for you to spend in your local currency. So in this webinar training, I'll be showing you a brand new method that many Nigerians and other Africans are using to earn in dollars. Now, what you'll be getting from this training is that first you learn what is Forex. You are going to learn what is Forex, the way it works, why it has been kept away from you, how to take full advantage of it. And then also, most importantly, you'll be learning the exact blueprint to use Forex and earn between $500 to $1,000 every single month. Before you go further, you can even use your calculator, find out how much is $500 to $1,000. You will know that that is a lot of money. So if you are going through this training, you are definitely going to learn the exact, you'll be given the exact blueprint on how you can use Forex and earn between $500 to $1,000 monthly. Now, if you stay to the end of this training, you will definitely be rewarded. Why? Because you'll be getting a free introductory training on Forex trading. This introductory training is worth $250. If you are to buy it on your own, or if you are to look for someone to teach you about this introduction to Forex, the person will charge you nothing less than $250. And if you are coming to me for a one-on-one mentorship, you'll be charged nothing less than $250 for this introductory video. But if you stay to the end of this webinar, I'll be giving it to you for free. You don't have to pay any single thing for this particular training. You'll be getting it for free. And also, you'll be getting a special 50% discount off my training that is worth $500. The training that I charge people $500, you'll be getting 50% discount off it for free. You don't have to pay up to the amount of that training. You see that these two bonuses that you are going to get for just staying to the end of this webinar alone is a welcome bonus package of up to $750. So just for you to stay to the end of this webinar, you'll be getting a welcome bonus of $750. This is a webinar that talks about money, so of course you'll be rewarded. Now let's move on. Now this training is perfect for you if you have a smartphone or a laptop. I believe if you are watching this video now, you are either using your smartphone or your laptop. So this training is perfect for you if you have a smartphone or a laptop and you have access to good internet connection. If you have access to good internet connection, then this training is definitely for you. And also, it is perfect for you if you don't have a get-rich-quick mentality. You understand that there's work to put in. Now, most people want to just make money without doing anything. That's why they fall for Ponzi scheme, scams, and all those kind of things. Why? Because they don't want to do anything. They just want to see money coming into their bank account without doing anything. But if you're that kind of person, then this training, I'm sorry, is not for you. You can just stop at this point. Save yourself the stress of going to the end of the training. But if you're that one person that understands that to make money that is life-changing and life-transforming, and then you understand that you have to put in work to learn skills that will help you make this kind of money, then this training is definitely perfect for you. And also, if you have this burning desire to be successful, then this training is perfect for you. There are people that don't want to succeed. They just wish to succeed, but they don't desire to succeed. They don't want to put any work or any effort to succeed. So if you're that kind of person, this training is not for you. But if you are someone who has the desire to succeed and you are willing to put in the effort, then this training, I can assure you, is definitely perfect for you. And finally, if you are ready to earn between $500 to $1,000 monthly, then this training is for you. So follow this training carefully to the end, remove all distractions, just focus on this training, and I'm assuring you by the end of this training, you will see the easy way to earn in dollars and then you'll be able to earn between $500 to $1,000 every month. This is something guaranteed for you. So if you are ready to earn between $500 to $1,000, let's move on. After this webinar, you will confidently know that you can never struggle with earning between $500 to $1,000 monthly. Why? Because I'll be revealing to you a secret way that people are using to make this amount, these figures, every single month. Some people make it in less than a month. So I'll be showing you, you'll be confident about it. And also, you have the confidence and skill to make money anywhere in the world. This is a digital skill. It's a skill that wherever you are, so long as you have a smartphone and an internet connection, then you can use it to make money for yourself. So wherever you are in the world, you can use it to make money for yourself. And then also, you will know that after this webinar, you will know that you have a skill that is recession proof. Recession proof means that even if the economy, the country you live in, is having economic issues and people are complaining about money, you'll be confident because you have a skill that is recession proof, a skill that the economy cannot affect you because you know how to generate money for yourself. Now, you will know how to get started with earning between $500 to $1,000 monthly. In this training, I'm going to reveal everything you need to know about it. So after this webinar, you'll be confident that, okay, I can now make between $500 to $1,000 every single month. And above that, you'll be able to get a lot of connections. You'll be able to network with people. Why? Because once you have a digital skill that can generate a lot of money, people would like to connect with you, to network with you and know and work with you. So you will get a ton of business owners that will be willing to pay you extra money and work with you. This is a skill that many people envy. Many people want to have it. Many people want to learn it, but some of them don't have the opportunity to learn it. So I'll be teaching you, and this will expose you to having a lot of business owners willing to work with you. So let's move on. Now, who am I? My name is Amu-nnadi, and I'm an online coach, a digital marketing expert, a Forex trader, and I'm the creator of the FPB. Now, the FPB is a training program that teaches you every single thing you need to know about Forex trading. In the course of this training, I'll be showing you how you can get the FPB. Now, also, I'm the founder of Igumov Capital. The Igumov Capital is a Forex trading firm, an organization that deals with Forex trading. We teach and we also train. You can see that's my picture there just by the side. That is it there. And also, if you look at these pictures here, you see this was in 2020 when I was chasing my basketball career, because I'm actually a tall person. If you look at me, if you look at the pictures, you see that I'm a tall person. So I was chasing basketball because I felt, okay, I was tall. That should be the line I should go through, go into sports, chase basketball. And then that was in 2020 and years before 2020 also. Then if you look at the picture by the right also, that was in 2021 when I was working part-time at a pharmacy. The pharmacy was just, in fact, my earning at the pharmacy was just like a stipend compared to what I'm able to do because of the skill I have today. Now, if you look at the picture in the middle, 2023, this was after I started taking Forex trading seriously. After I started taking Forex trading seriously, if you look at these three pictures, you see the clear difference. 2020, I was just there chasing basketball career. 2021, I was there working in a pharmacy. It was more like a volunteer experience because the money was just, the payment was just little. Not until 2023, I now decided that, okay, I can't continue living like this. And I decided to take my Forex trading training seriously, and you can see the difference. If you look at the person in 2023, you know it is totally a different person from the person in 2020 and 2021. So that is me, that is who I am. And this person who has discovered this skill that has changed his whole life is the person that is going to be showing you exactly what you need to do and change your life also. So let's move on. Now, get ready because you're about to learn exactly what Forex trading is, what it is, how it works, and how you can also get started immediately. Because if you want to change your life, you must be someone who is an action taker, someone who is willing to get started on something immediately. You need to take action immediately. You don't waste time, you don't procrastinate. If you procrastinate, you see that you'll be delaying yourself and your time. But if you are that person who is willing and you have the desire to succeed, then this training you know everything about Forex, how it works, and what it is, and how you can also get started. Now, let's move on. So, Forex trading. The word Forex comes from two different words, actually. It's a combination of two different words. The first one is foreign, and then the second is exchange. So these two words combine to form the word Forex. So if you've been hearing about Forex, then you should have the knowledge or the understand that Forex simply means foreign exchange. Foreign exchange simply means that there's an exchange happening, there's a transaction happening, and then it is foreign. Why? Because you are dealing with currencies from different nations, different countries. Now, I can be in Nigeria, for instance, and be transacting with currencies from United States, that's the US dollar. Now, since I'm transacting across border, then it is a foreign exchange. Why? Because I'm probably exchanging my naira to get dollar, or I'm exchanging dollar to get naira. So that is an exchange, and it involves two different countries. So it is foreign exchange. So basically, that's what that's what happens in Forex. It is an exchange of currencies between two different countries. Now, in knowing about what is Forex trading, you see that Forex trading is simply the exchange. Now, when you talk of exchange, you're talking about buying and selling, because you're either buying one currency and selling the other, or you're selling one currency to get another different currency. So Forex trading is simply the exchange of currencies, stocks, and commodities of different countries and companies with the purpose of making profits. So Forex is actually broad. Why? Because you can exchange currencies. Let's say, for instance, I can exchange US dollar to get pounds, and I can exchange maybe US dollar to get euros. Then also in Forex, I can still exchange stocks of different countries. For instance, now I can use my money to buy stocks for Apple. Apple is a company. We all know Apple is a company. That's the company that produces our iPhones. I can buy the stocks of Apple. If I'm in Nigeria, I can choose to buy the stocks of Dangote Group. That's Dangote Farm Company. I can choose to buy stocks of Microsoft company. I can choose to buy stocks of Alibaba or AliExpress or maybe Amazon. I can choose to buy stocks of this company. Once I'm doing all those things, that is Forex trading that I'm doing. I can buy commodities like gold or silver or crude oil. Those are commodities. Exchanging them for the sake of making profits, all those things are what happens in Forex. That's what Forex is all about. Foreign exchange, exchanging currencies, stocks, or commodities. A simple example of Forex trading is bureau de change. If you've heard of bureau de change, or if you've had business to do with bureau de change, you know that if you are traveling to a different country, you have to change your local currency to the country you are going to. Now, you go to the bureau de change. Probably if I'm living in Nigeria, I'm going to United States now, I have to change my naira to dollar so that I can go and spend it in the United States. Because I can't go and spend naira in United States. You can't come and spend naira and dollar in Nigeria. So you have to exchange these currencies. That is what Forex is about. Now, Forex trading enables you to earn money from continuous change in exchange rates of different currencies. Because even as you are watching this video now, the currency of your country, the value of that currency is always changing continuously. Their value, the rate, the exchange rate is always changing continuously. So even as you're watching this video, there are people that are trading these currencies, and they are making money from it. Why? Because they are taking advantage of the continuous change in the exchange rates, the prices. You should know what type of currencies are exchanged. I've given you some examples. You see, you can exchange currency, stocks, and commodities such as the United States dollar, euros, pounds, gold, crude oil, Apple, Facebook stock, Microsoft stock, different things. There are so many of them out there that you can exchange for profit. And remember, I told you the exchange rates are always changing continuously. So you can take advantage of the change in prices, and make money for yourself, earn a lot of money for yourself. And the good thing is that the world operates in different time zones. The time we live in Nigeria, maybe it might be 9 o'clock in Nigeria. But if you go to the United States, it might just be 5 a.m. or it might be 1 p.m. somewhere else. So there's always transaction happening all around the clock, everywhere, all around the clock. transactions are happening. So you can take advantage of these things and make earn for yourself at any time you want. Now, here are what some of my students are saying. The information that they got is the exact information you're also going to get about Forex trading. Now, look at what they are doing by themselves using this knowledge of Forex trading. Now, this is from one of my students in my community. He posted his trade and he said, this is from today's trade. And if you look carefully at it, you see that he made $44 profit from a single trading session. He was trading euro against US dollar. That means he was exchanging euros for US dollar. And he was also trading gold. He was exchanging gold for US dollar. And he was able to make $44 profit from a single trading session. If you check this in your local currency, probably this might even be more than your country's minimum wage. So you can imagine how much he was making from just a single trading session. Now look at another one here. He said, I just took a brief trade on gold this morning. That's what he said. And the profit he made was $14 profit. He just woke up in the morning and said, okay, let me look at the Forex market, see what is happening. And he decided to trade gold. And he was able to make $14 profit just that morning. Now look at another of my students who started taking this training. And then he came to my DM to tell me, he said, that your tutorial videos are top notch. You really break them all down. You see, he just picked that training and started going through it. And he was already getting a lot of information. And the training has been designed step by step so that no matter how you are, you can understand it. It is simplified that even a child will understand it easily. It's a step-by-step training. So everything that you need to know about Forex has been broken down step by step for you to learn in those tutorial videos. Now, how does it work? How does this Forex of a thing work? How do my students even take advantage? How did they learn it? And how do they take advantage of it to make money for themselves? And how can you also do the same? Now, there are organizations that allow you to trade in the main Forex market, and they are called brokers. Brokers. Now, before now, most people who trade Forex are people who have a lot of capital. You cannot trade Forex with your phone or your laptop. Before, many years ago, you can't do that. Before you can trade it, you have to go to those companies, walk into the company, talk to the receptionist, okay, I want to buy stocks for so company. You say, okay, this is how much we are selling stock, then you buy it. Or if you want to trade currencies, you have to travel to New York, that's in United States. You travel there to their exchange center. That's the only way you can trade Forex back then. But technology has advanced such that even in your home, you can trade Forex. You can exchange those currencies and make money. You can buy stocks, you can buy different commodities and make money for yourself. Now, the people that made it easy for such things to happen are these organizations we call brokers. You just have a Forex, you create a Forex account with them, and then they give you access to trade these currencies, trade commodities, trade stocks right from your house, from the comfort of your home. Using your broker, you can just trade these different currencies. That's how Forex has advanced. That's how technology has advanced now. Now, you just have to pick a currency, a stock or commodity to trade. There are thousands of them, so you must pick the most profitable ones with high volatility. If you really want to make profit from this Forex trading, you have to pick currencies with high volatility. That's currencies that their prices are always changing. That the exchange rate is always changing fast. There's a lot of transactions going on that particular currency. You pick that kind of currency and you trade it. You just get to sign up with your broker. You pick a currency that is very volatile, and then there are many of them, so you will not even be confused. You just pick any one, just trade it. Now, how do you trade it? You just you place a buy trade. When you observe that the asset is very cheap, that particular currency is very cheap, or the commodity is very cheap, you buy it at that time when it is cheap, and then you sell it when the price appreciates. Now, a simple example is this. Let's assume you live in a place where there are a lot of people who farm. They are farmers, and then these farmers go to the farm to farm, let's say something like rice. They farm a lot of rice, and then during harvest time, you see that a lot of farmers are harvesting rice. Everywhere you just go, rice is everywhere. People are selling rice. There's just a lot of rice. And then you know what? Because of how surplus rice is in the market, you observe that the value of the price of that rice will drop. It will become cheap at that point. And that's when some people will buy it a lot and store it. That's why a lot of you will just buy that rice and store it. It's the same thing that happens in the Forex market. You buy these assets when they are cheap, and then as the price appreciates in value, when it's becoming scarce, you begin to sell it at higher prices to make profit for yourself. So you see, you are buying cheap and then you are selling at a higher price, and then you make profit for yourself. The same thing happens with owning a car. You can buy a car today when it is cheap, and then if you are going to sell that car, you obviously not sell it at the same price you bought it. You sell it at a higher price because you are going to make extra profit for yourself. So that is how it operates in the Forex market. You buy these currencies when they are cheap, and then you sell them when they are high. And you must remember, I told you, you are going to pick currencies that are very volatile. That means their price, a lot of transactions are going there because there's a lot of opportunity for you to make money there. So that is how Forex market works. You buy currencies when they are cheap, and you sell them when they appreciate in value. Now, so here are the three major things we have talked about so far. We have the assets. Now, these assets include the currencies, the stocks, and the commodities. And they are constantly changing in prices. Their exchange rate is always changing. So these assets, they always change in price. Then you have the Forex broker. Those are the organizations that allow you to trade in the Forex market, even from the comfort of your home. Then thirdly, we have you, the Forex trader, who takes advantage of the constantly changing exchange rate to make profit for yourself. So there are three parties that play when it comes to Forex. There's the asset you are trading, which is the currencies, stocks, and the commodities. Then there's the broker that allows you to trade. And then there's you, who is the Forex trader, who knows the right time to buy when it is cheap and knows the right time to sell when the price appreciates in value. So those are the three things we have in the Forex market. Now, here's the numbers. This is the mathematics. Now, let's speak in terms of figures so that you understand it clearly. If you make at least $50 a week, you saw one of my students showing his result, and he made $44 on just a single trade he took. That trade was less than a day, and he was able to make up to $50, up to $44. Now, imagine if you're able to make up to just $50 in a week as a Forex trader. If you live in Nigeria, the current exchange rate is, as I'm making this video, is 1,300 naira per dollar. So if you say you make $50 only in a week, and you multiply it $50 times 1,300 naira, that means you make roughly 65,000 naira per week. If you live in Nigeria, you know this is already above the minimum wage, because here in Nigeria now, our minimum wage is 30,000 naira. So imagine making times 2 of the minimum wage just by learning this skill called Forex trading. Something you can do with just your smartphone or a laptop, and then from the comfort of your home. Now, if you now make 65,000 naira a week, in 4 weeks, that's in 1 month, how much are you making? That would be 65,000 naira times 4 weeks. That would be making 260,000 naira per month. If you live in Nigeria, you know someone earning 260,000 naira can begin to live comfortably. And this is not even all. You can even make above this. Now, look at this. Now we are just talking about making $50 a week. How about this? Look at it now. Look at this one here now. This was a trade I took. I traded one of the assets in the Forex market, and look at the profit I made. That's over $445 profit, because if you look at it, you're having $449.31. So I made over $445 profit on a single trade. Just a single trading session, I was able to make $445. How much is that? Then if you look at the second picture, I posted this. I had to post this on my status to encourage a lot of people. Why? Because and look at what I said on the caption on the status. I said this night I decided to check how much the trades I took last weekend and this week have made. A whooping sum of $700 was locked in. $700 profit from trades in just a week. And we are talking of making $50. Here I am making $700 plus in just a single week of trading. So you can see that making $50 is just small. And this video, we titled it making $500 to $1,000 monthly. You can see that making $700 is just something easy. because just a single trade alone made $445. Then in a week, I was able to make up to $700 profit on that, on just trading for that week. Now, how much would that do in a month? If I make that maybe just 2 times a month already, I've already exceeded $1,000. Now, what can you get from trading? If you become a Forex trader today, what can it benefit you? Now, the first thing you can think of is the comfort of deciding how much you want to make. Yes, as a Forex trader, you'll be the one to decide how much do I want to make. Why? Because it's just for you to get the skill, know how to trade, and then you just take these trades. When you see the assets or the currency or the commodity is cheap, you buy it. You can choose to buy more, you can choose to buy less, depending on how you want it. You decide how much you want to make. And you also have free time for yourself and your family. Remember, you work this thing with just your smartphone or your laptop. So you don't even have to go to an office, you don't have to go answer to any boss or anything. You just work at the comfort of your own zone. And then you also work at your own pace. Nobody's going to pressure you, say, okay, you must trade, you must do this, you must do that. No. You just work at your own pace and then you make money for yourself. Now, you will see that Forex trading is a recession-proof source of income. Why? Because it doesn't depend on any single country. So no country can wake up and control it, because different countries are there trading their currencies. So no country can just wake up and say, okay, no, we are going to close down the Forex market. No. So even if the country you live in is facing recession or the economy is tough and all you need to do is just use your smartphone, trade your Forex on your own, at your own comfort zone, and then you make enough money for yourself. Now, Forex also gives you the ability to earn in dollars and other foreign currencies. With Forex trading, you can earn in dollars and other foreign currencies. You know that if you earn in dollars and you convert it to your local currency, it is a lot of money. Now, you also have the ultimate feeling of never having to worry about money again. Why? Because you already know how to make money for yourself just from the comfort of your home and also with your smartphone. While a lot of people are going through social media and other using their smartphone is taking money away from them, because you have to buy a recharge card for a smartphone, you have to buy data, you have to buy different things. While people are spending money on their smartphone, you have the opportunity to allow your smartphone make you money, so you don't have to worry about money again. Then you have the unique ability to generate cash on demand. I like this the most. Why? Because as human beings, we can be faced with any situation anytime. Any situation can come up at any time. But if you have this unique ability to generate cash, even when you are faced with an emergency, all you know is that, okay, let me pick out my smartphone or my laptop, try to look out for opportunities to trade the market, the Forex market. I'll be able to generate cash on demand. And the same thing also. So if you learn this skill, you'll be able to generate cash for yourself on demand. You'll not be confused when there's an emergency. Why? Because you know what to do to generate money. And these are just a few out of the many more benefits you can gain from learning how to trade Forex. Now, here's a mind-blowing fact about Forex trading. The first one is leverage. Now, this is a capital multiplying factor such that even with as low as $10, the broker multiplies this to as high as $10,000 so that you can trade with big money. If you don't have capital to trade Forex, and maybe you say you just have just $10, there's what we call leverage in Forex trading. Now, this leverage comes from the broker. The broker is able to lend you some money. It's like he's borrowing you some money. It's okay, I have just $10. I cannot trade. This $10 cannot go into the main Forex market to trade. So your broker gives you leverage. This $10, he multiplies it by 1,000 to make it $10,000 so that your account size will be big enough to trade in the main Forex market. So even with as low as $10, you can get started trading Forex because of leverage. Now, there are what we call prop firms. Now, these are organizations that give you huge capitals. This one, they give you a lot of money and say, okay, trade it. They give you the money, they say, okay, trade it. Any profit you make, the profit is yours. We'll just take a little commission out of it, and then you can go with the remaining profit. So they can give you could get funded from $3,000 even up to $200,000 or $100,000. That's what prop firms do. So if you come into Forex field, Forex is an opportunity for you to actually make money even without money. Even if you don't have money today, if you come and learn Forex trading and know how it works, you can get started and make money for yourself. Why? Because there are prop firms that will give you capital. So, okay, start trading with this. Or you can get leverage from your broker. And now also the Forex market is a 247 market. It means you can trade and earn profits anytime, any day, or anywhere you are. Because the market works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So at any time, you can just wake up, pick your smartphone, and trade and make money for yourself. That's why I said this market can help you generate cash on demand. When there's an emergency, you need money, Forex can help you generate that money. Why? Because the market is always open. You can wake up 1 a.m. in the night and trade it. You can trade it 9 a.m. in the morning. You can trade it in the afternoon. You can trade it in the evening. Any time of the day, you can trade Forex market because it's a 247 market. Now, so what's next? You've learned a lot about Forex trading now. So what is next? Now, you have two options because you have learned a lot now. You have learned, yes, I've exposed you to a lot of things so far. You've learned what Forex is. You've learned how Forex can make you a lot of money. You've learned the advantages, the benefits you have of learning Forex. So you have two options now. The first option is that take the little you've seen and try to figure out the rest all by yourself. You can just stop the video, stop watching at this point, say, okay, I've learned enough. It's okay for me. Let me go and start trying to figure out the rest by myself. Let me just find the way. I will find the way. I will find the way. You can tell yourself that, and then you end the video here and go your way, trying to find how to figure it out yourself. But I'll tell you this. I can assure you, this will cost you at least the next 5 to 10 years of consistent hard work. If you stop at this point now and say, okay, I'll go and figure out the rest by myself, then I can assure you it's a strong guarantee. It will take you the next 5 to 10 years of consistent hard work. You have to be working every single day, trying to understand how does Forex work, how does Forex work. You have to give yourself the next 5 to 10 years if you choose to go away from here now. You say, okay, this little information I've learned so far, let me go and figure out the rest by myself. Then you have to put in this effort for at least 5 to 10 years of consistent hard work. And that is if you don't lose and give up. That's if you don't lose momentum and you give up. Then maybe after 10 years, you can now succeed in Forex. Or you can do this now. You can choose to say, okay, let me go for the second option. And what is the second option? You can allow me hold you by the hand and guide you step by step and help you get a kind of results I and my students are getting so far. If you follow this training, you know I've showed you how much my students are making. And these are my students that just started recently, not even quite long. And they're already making some money for themselves. And I've showed you how much I'm able to make from Forex trading. So if you allow me to hold you by the hand, guide you step by step, and help you get the kind of results I and my students are getting within the next 90 days or less. So within the next 90 days or less, you can begin to see this same kind of results for your own self too. That is if you allow me to hold you by the hand and guide you step by step. You follow my training step by step. If you do that, then you are sure that, okay, within the next 90 days or less, you can begin to see these results. So long as you do what I tell you, you follow it step by step, you allow me hold your hand and guide you, then you can begin to see similar results within the next 90 days or less. Now, hear what one of my recent students has to say about learning Forex from my academy. You can just watch this video, it's just a short video, watch it and see for yourself what he has to say.
Hi everyone, I am Kuri John and I want to tell you about my wonderful experience learning Forex trading from Igumov Capital. Here in Igumov Capital, I have been exposed to a lot, ranging from videos, materials, and quality mentorship. Indeed, Forex trading has been very, very easy for me, and in my trading experience, thanks to the things I have learned from Igumov Capital, I was able to make up to $78 profits within just 3 days of trading alone. And I believe with time, I will be able to do more. And to a lot of people out there who have the desire to learn Forex trading and be good at it, I would recommend Igumov Capital as a very, very sure and guaranteed place for you to learn.
Now, you heard him. You heard what he said about how much he was able to make in 3 days, just with the information, the materials, and everything he learned from my trading academy called Igumov Capital. Now, how can you join my Forex community and become a Forex trader? You want to be like John, who you just watched his video. He was saying how much he made from trading Forex in 3 days. Now, how can you join my Forex community and become a Forex trader? First, before I tell you how you can join it, let me tell you what you get to benefit from joining this community. First of all, you get the full step-by-step training on how to trade the Forex market profitably. Every single thing you need to know about how to trade Forex market profitable has been explained in my training course, in my training videos. So you get a step-by-step training. Then also, this will blow your mind. You get free trading signals. That's, I'll tell you when to buy these assets or these currency when they are cheap. And I'll tell you when to sell them when they have appreciated in value. So even while you are learning as a beginner, you can begin to earn a lot of money for yourself. Why? Because I'll be telling you, okay, this particular currency is cheap now, so buy it. And then when you buy it, you keep it. Once it appreciates in value, I tell you, okay, sell it off. And you earn money. As you are learning, you're also earning money for yourself. Also, you get close mentorship from me and other Forex traders in the community. As you are learning, you'll be getting guidance. I'll be telling you, okay, do this way, don't do this, or do this. I'll be guiding you step by step so that you learn at a faster pace. Remember, I told you, allow me to hold your hands and guide you step by step. You can begin to see results within 90 days or less. Also, you get quick response to questions from me and other members. Once you join this community, you have quick. Once you have any question and you drop it there, you have get a quick response, because I'll always be there to reply your questions. And there are other people also who are good in trading that will reply your questions in the community. And you will have access to regular live training sessions where I'll be holding live training classes, show you practically how these things work. And there are many more advantages that you can benefit from just by joining my Forex community. Now, to join the community, the simple thing you have to do is to get my fully detailed training course known as the Forex Profit Blueprint. The Forex Profit Blueprint. Remember when I was telling you who I am, I told you that I am the founder and I created the course FPB, and that is the Forex Profit Blueprint. It's a blueprint. You follow it step by step and you are guaranteed to get a lot of results for yourself within 90 days or less. You begin to see results because it's a blueprint. Everything step by step, how you start from scratch to become profitable as a professional Forex trader has been explained step by step in the training. Now, what is the Forex Profit Blueprint? You can see it's just a step-by-step training that will strip the entire financial market completely naked. Thus, there will be no secrets left in the financial market or in the Forex market for you again. Why? Because every secret has been revealed in this Forex Profit Blueprint. And it takes you from a complete beginner to a professional and a profitable trader. That's, you start as a beginner, you don't know anything about Forex, but once you get this Forex Profit Blueprint, it will take you from a beginner from scratch to become a professional and a profitable Forex trader. Now, the Forex Profit Blueprint has 3 parts. The first part, the part 1, is the basic trading class. That's where you start as a beginner. The basic trading class, in the basic trading class, you get introduction to Forex. You'll be learning about the introduction to Forex. You learn about stocks, you learn about indices, you learn about commodities like gold, many other things there. You'll be learning about the whole introduction to Forex has been covered there. Then you'll be learning about trading terminologies. There are different terminologies we use in trading. You'll be learning all about them. You'll be learning there are different types of market analysis, how to know when the market is cheap and for you to buy. You'll be learning about them. You'll be learning about what we call trading orders. And then once you're done with that part 1, you get bonus. There's a bonus attached to it. You get trading indicator setups that can help you to start trading. This part 1 alone is worth 25,000 naira. If I'm going to just say, okay, let me give out part 1 alone. If you just come to me and say, okay, you want to learn part 1 alone, it is 25,000 naira. Why? Because of the information that has been detailed inside it. It is 25,000 naira. It is worth 25,000 naira for you. Now, in the part 2 of this training course of the Forex Profit Blueprint is the advanced trading class. And in the advanced trading class, we discuss in detail when to buy or sell. So you will learn when to buy or sell. You will learn exactly when that particular asset or currency or commodity is cheap for you to buy. You know when to buy or sell. Then you know how to determine your entry and also your exit point. How do you enter this market? How do you buy? How do you sell? You know exactly how to do that. Then you learn about how to use indicators trading strategy. There are concepts to how you can use indicators to trade profitably. These indicators, they are just tools that indicate to you in the market, okay, this is time to buy, this is time to sell. So there are different strategies for using these indicators. You'll be learning everything about it in this part 2 of the Forex Profit Blueprint. You also understand about time frames, how you can trade using different time frames. You learn it. Then how to trade using support and resistance levels, you also be learning that. And that is not all. Under this same part 2, you'll be learning about candlestick patterns and how you can master it. How you can use these candlestick patterns to master Forex trading. Then also you will learn how to trade with Fibonacci tool. There's a tool in Forex market we call Fibonacci tool. You will learn how to apply it to trade profitably. Then you will learn how to trade demand and supply zones. All these things, they are Forex terms that you get to know them and you learn how to apply them and make money for yourself using them in the Forex market. You will learn about chart pattern. Remember, we first talked about candlestick pattern, but this one now it is chart pattern. You will learn how to use them to trade profitably. Then also, you'll be learning about trading psychology. Now, if you have the right trading psychology, you'll make a lot of money for yourself. So in this part 2, I spoke extensively about trading psychology. I teach you about trading psychology. Now, this part 2 alone is worth 180,000 naira because I covered a lot of things there. A lot of very important things in Forex market that you need to know, secrets that you need to know. I covered it there. So it is worth 180,000 naira. Now, part 1 and part 2 alone, if you are going to buy only part 1 and part 2, you want to learn just part 1 and part 2 alone, you see that it is now worth 205,000 naira. The fun fact about this is that it's not even up to $200. 205,000 naira is not even up to $200. And remember, our target is for you to be making at least $500 to $1,000 using the information you'll be getting from this place. So 205,000 naira is not even up to $200. Then when you go to part 3, this is now the master trading class. You'll be learning more. You go deeper into trading psychology. You learn more things about trading psychology. Then you learn about risk management. You know how to manage your money, how to manage your risks so that you don't lose your money. Then you'll be learning about technical analysis. Every single thing about technical analysis, you learn it. Then you also learn about fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is using news from different economies, different countries. You learn how to apply those news and trade the market, the Forex market, profitably. And once you are done with this now, there's what I call the research and development. The research and development is simply like your personal project. Because by the time you are done with part 1, 2, and 3, you would have learned a lot that you can create your own strategy. You can create your own trading plan. You can create your own way of trading, your own pattern of trading. So this research and development is more like your own personal project. It's just an assignment I give you. It's okay. From all that you have learned so far, come up with a trading strategy that works. And then you see that you have learned different strategies. So you just combine maybe different things and get a unique trading strategy that works for you. This part 3 alone, because of how detailed it is worth 300,000 naira. Just part 3 alone, it is worth 300,000 naira. So if you are going to get part 1, part 2, and part 3, you see that it is now worth 505,000 naira. And guess what? This is not even up to $1,000. because $1,000 is over 1 point something million. So you can imagine part 1, part 2, and part 3 is not even up to $1,000. It's just 505,000 naira. That's just the worth, the value of what you are getting is worth 505,000 naira. And that is not even all. That's not all you'll be getting from the Forex Profit Blueprint. Let's see. I have packaged 5 extra hot bonuses. I call them hot bonuses because these are bonuses that can transform your life in a quick way. In a very quick way. They can transform your finances very fast. But I want you to know this, your attention now. This is not for everyone. These bonuses is not for everyone. It's not. It can't be for everyone. As much as it's a very good opportunity, it's not for everyone. It is only for the very few action takers, people who are very serious. Remember at the beginning of this training, I told you there are some people that they don't desire to succeed. They just wish to succeed, but they don't desire to succeed. So these bonuses are not for those kind of people. These bonuses are for only the very few action takers. People who within a short time can get massive growth, massive results. Their finances will change. Now, for you to benefit from these bonuses, from the time this video is sent to you, you have just a maximum of 48 hours to take action on what you'll be told to do. Just maximum of 48 hours. After 48 hours, you lose access to getting these bonuses. You can get the training, yes, quite okay, but these particular bonuses I'm about to share with you, after 48 hours of watching this video, you lose access to it. So you have to take action within 48 hours for you to get these bonuses. And what are these bonuses? Now, the first bonus I'm attaching, you are going to get from me, I'm attaching to this training is that you'll be getting, you learn how, I'm going to show you a simple way on how you can raise free $200 capital for trading in less than 21 days. That's if you don't have capital to trade in the next 21 days or in less than 21 days, I'll show you how you can raise $200 capital. The information I'm going to give you on how to raise this capital is worth 30,000 naira. If someone just comes up to me and say, please show me how I can raise capital in less than 21 days, I'll say, pay me 30,000 naira first. But I'll be giving it to you for free because you are getting this training. Now, the second bonus you get is a free high profit crypto futures and spot calls signals. This information alone that I'm going to give you, these signals on, if you've been on the internet space, you know that a lot of people are making a lot of money from crypto. So I'll be giving you very key information about crypto, and I'll also be giving you signals, tell you when to buy some cryptos that will make you a lot of money. You know that crypto traders, some of them can just wake up the next day and they are multi-millionaires because of how crypto market is. So I'll be giving you these secret signals on how you can buy some of these cryptos when they are very cheap. And then when they appreciate in value, you make a lot of money for yourself. The information in this crypto information now alone is worth 240,000 naira because it's a very huge information I'm giving out, but you're getting it for free. And then also, as a bonus, I'm going to attach a smart money concept. You have to be very smart with money when it comes to creating generational wealth for yourself. You have to become very smart. So there's a concept, a trading strategy in the Forex industry that we call the smart money concept. I'll be showing you how you can use smart money concept to make a lot of money for yourself. Now, the information I'll be sharing to you about this smart money concept is worth 150,000 naira. And that is not all. I'll be showing you an uncommon ICT trading strategy. This ICT trading strategy is also a strategy people use to make money in the Forex industry. But I'll be showing you an uncommon way how you can apply it differently from how other people are doing, and you can make a lot of money for yourself. The information is also worth 150,000 naira. So you can see the total worth of the information you'll be getting from these bonuses is worth 570,000 naira. 570,000. If you come and say, okay, please, I just want to have these bonuses alone, You see that you pay me nothing less than 570,000 naira before I can release this information to you. But guess what? You're getting all these bonuses for free. Yes, you're getting every single thing here for free. You don't have to pay that. Now, this means that if you're getting part 1, part 2, part 3, plus the extra bonuses, this is now worth 1,075,000 naira. Remember the part 1, 2, and 3, they worth 505,000 naira. Then the bonuses part worth 570,000 naira. So this is a total of 1,075,000 naira. That's the worth of what you are getting. The information you are getting here is almost as good as priceless. Why? Because people pay a lot of money, pay huge sums of money to get this same information. Now let's move on. But guess what? This is one funny thing about Forex. 1,075,000 naira is not even up to $1,000, because $1,000 at the current exchange rate is about 1.3 million naira, if not 1.4 million naira even. So you can see that 1,075,000 naira is not even up to $1,000. And remember, our target is for you to make between $500 to $1,000 every single month. So you're not even, the money you're making from the information you're getting is even more than the training module is worth. So 1,075,000 is not even up to $1,000. So you can see that this training, there's a lot of information that is revealed for you in this training class. Now, imagine this. For a training that is worth over 1 million naira, and it shows you step by step how you can make at least between $500 to $1,000 monthly. How much do you think it will cost? If I should charge you 1,075,000, you know, okay, I've charged you the worth of the training class. But then, after getting that information of the training class and use that, you can use that same information to make $1,000 a month. That's over the money paid for the class. So how much do you think this training class should cost? Somebody will say, okay, just make it 500,000 because the economy is hard. Just make it 500,000 naira. Even if I collect 500,000 naira from you, you know that okay, you are getting more value compared to that 500,000 naira, because after getting that information, you can begin to make a lot more money for yourself with it. But you are not even going to pay 1,075,000 naira. I understand that okay, things can be hard, things can be tough, so you are not even going to pay me the exact worth of that money. You're not even going to pay that 1,075,000 naira. And also, I'm not even going to charge you half of it. That's 500,000. You're not even going to pay that. Neither will I ask you to pay 100,000 naira or 50,000 naira. At this point, I feel like you are cheating me. Why? Because I'm giving you an information that is worth over 1 million naira, but you're not even going to pay me 50,000 naira for it. It's more like you're cheating me because you're getting a lot of information for almost free. So what is it now? But you are going to pay just a one-time commitment fee. I call it a commitment fee. Why? Because it's just for you to show your seriousness to this information I'm giving you. It's just for you to show that, okay, I'm willing to pay attention. Because nowadays, people are very distracted in this world. If you give this information out for free, they will not value it. People don't value it. So you are just going to pay a commitment. This commitment fee will just help you focus more on this learning process, because you know you've put your money in it to learn, so you focus more to get the results you want. So this is just a commitment fee of how much? Just 35,000 naira only. Yes, 35,000 naira only. Once you pay this commitment fee of 35,000 naira, you get free access to the trading community, you get a complete trading course, and also you get to enjoy the 5 hot bonuses that are attached to this training course. So with just that 5,000 naira, you're getting an information that is worth over 1 million naira. Over 1 million naira. An information, something that can make you at least $500 to $1,000 every month. You're just getting it for 35,000 naira only. So you'll be getting access to the trading community. You can see where I drop trading signals, drop trading charts in the trading community. And then you also get full trading course, the Forex profit blueprint. You'll be getting a full trading course. And also you'll be getting free trading signals. These free trading signals will help you to even begin to earn money while you are learning. And there are lots more of things you'll be getting access to for just getting this training course. So how do you access this? How can you get access to this Forex profit blueprint and also access the community? It's just simple. You can screenshot this account number that is showing on the screen now. GT Bank, you can use GT Bank or you use OPay. That's the account name there. So you make your transfer to this account. You can just screenshot it. I'll count down from 5 now so that I'm sure you'll be able to screenshot it now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. I'm sure you've screenshotted it. So let's move on. Now, once you make payment, you just send a simple proof of payment to any of these two numbers on WhatsApp. So you can select any of the numbers and forward it on WhatsApp. Once you just make payment, just send your proof of payment to the WhatsApp any of these WhatsApp number, and then you get free access to the course, and also you get free access to the community. So welcome to the end of this webinar, and quickly just make your payments to the account here, and then you send your proof of payment to the WhatsApp number by the right of the screen. So congratulations. From going through this training now, I'm sure you've learned a lot of things on how you can make a lot of money for yourself just by trading Forex. You can make a lot of money for yourself. So I'll congratulate you once again for staying true to the end of this webinar. And remember, I have bonuses attached for it. So go back to my DM and you get your bonuses. Now, that's all for now. I'll see you in class. Congratulations to anyone who is going to get this training within the next 48 hours so that you can get the bonuses, and we'll see you in class. And I'm sure, I can guarantee you that if you get this training, in 90 days or less, you see transformation to your finances. So long as you do all you're supposed to do, you follow the instructions that will be told you, you will make a lot of money for yourself. So that's all. See you in class.